he's hiding. Car go right in my way. Venus. Cough right on him. I see you, bitch. Look how they try to hide. I gotta rest. Oh Lord, have mercy. They're making me weak. Take these first. See, I didn't start coughing again until I left. It was just slow. I couldn't stop coughing. So that asshole, of course it did. He had to stay away. I have to breathe. Oh, fuck off. Oh my God. I hate that I'm alive. He switched his sides to hide from me. I saw the light from the stupid cell phone. No damn phlegm coming out. Lord. Despite being like this, but I cannot even know it almost killed me. It sucks the perps. They laugh at us when we get sick. You know, they think it's funny because they're not sick. Like I said, they cast spells so they don't get sick. They put it onto us. Should be more careful. Honestly, it amped up as soon as I made that appointment. That special appointment that I almost missed. As soon as I made the actual appointment, that's when it ramped up. Because they wanted me to miss it. You know, so I love Dunkin'. I went across the street. I was gonna go to one of the delis, the two delis. And the first deli, they completely gutted it. And it says we're open. And I'm looking at it like there's nothing in there. No fridges, nothing. So I don't know what's up with that. Then I had to go to 99-cent store. And the devil made this like little child like almost punch me. It's like, what the hell? That never happens. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm definitely not coming back out. No, this is too much. No, I'm doing it. Oh, what did this in my electricity? So the lights not going on in my kitchen. That's fun.
Dad, did you buy something? Why is it from Dad? Yeah. Lisa, they might do it.
This morning. Anyways, I'm gonna rest the car. And I'm sweating, of course. Maybe I need to sweat. The light. If you notice, he was in that other corner, the other side. Little Smurf. He already walked past a couple times. Because he has to make sure I'm there. Like I said, he does witchcraft, so he knows where I'm gonna be. I'm pretty sure Patrolman Smurf told him about me. And Bruce Smurf knows the guy that works at Dunkin'. And then the other friend, one of the other three stooges, he comes in all the time to talk to him. He came in today, he always looked at me funny too. Even before I knew who it was. So, because they all know each other, so. You know what I mean? And listen, I can't stay in the house too long. I have to go out at least once a day. And I was fine. I didn't really cough too much. I blew my nose a little bit more. But I was stuck in that house. And I was sick. My stomach was killing me. I kept running back and forth to the bathroom. And I was trying to clean up my apartment. And then, I was like, I gotta go out. I need to at least breathe. So I sat out here for a few minutes. And I saw Patrolman Smurf. So I tell you, they're all coming back. They definitely were on vacation. He was definitely on vacation. He got new sneakers, new jacket. Well, I know about the red and black jacket he always wears. He has to change it up a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in before I freeze. Sorry for the insistent coughing. You know, these perps, they put this shit on you. It's all witchcraft. That's all it is. Like I said, they want me staying in the house. They want me in the house all the time. Never leaving the house, not even for a minute. As soon as I walked outside from Dunkin', I heard beep, 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 like that little beeps. So that's their telltale sign too. Maybe after I go in, maybe they'll start up again. I don't know why there's nobody home.